The 2026 Ford Explorer is here, and it's bringing a bold new attitude to the SUV segment. Welcome back to Cars Info Point. Today, we're diving deep into this American icon, redesigned and re-engineered for a new era. Right off the bat, the new Explorer demands attention with a more sculpted front fascia, a wider grille, and sleek LED lighting that gives it a futuristic yet rugged appeal. Ford's designers have clearly aimed to blend athleticism with utility, and it works. The proportions are muscular, the lines are cleaner, and the presence is unmistakable. Whether you're pulling up at school or heading out on a road trip, this SUV makes a statement. Under the hood, Ford is offering a range of powertrain options. The base model starts with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, delivering solid performance with impressive fuel economy for a vehicle of this size. But if you're hungry for more power, the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 in the Platinum and ST trims takes things up a notch, producing up to 400 horsepower. That means this Explorer isn't just built for comfort. It can seriously move. Step inside, and things get even better. The interior of the 2026 Explorer has received a major upgrade. We're talking a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive 13.2-inch infotainment screen, and Ford's Sync 5 system, which now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with blazing speed. Materials have been improved across the board. Soft touch surfaces, better stitching, and a layout that feels both upscale and intuitive. Seating for 7 remains standard, but what stands out is the available captain's chairs in the second row, giving passengers a first-class experience. And yes, cargo space is still one of the Explorer's strong suits, with fold-flat rear seats that make room for just about anything, from camping gear to Costco hauls. Safety hasn't been left behind either. The 2026 model comes with Ford Co-Pilot 360 Assist Plus, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and even evasive steering assist. It's built to protect what matters most: you and your family. Driving dynamics? Surprisingly sharp. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating twisty mountain roads, the Explorer feels composed, confident, and agile, a trait not often associated with mid-size SUVs. The ST trim even includes a sport-tuned suspension that transforms this family hauler into something genuinely fun to drive. And here's something new: a hybrid variant with better range and efficiency, ideal for those looking to reduce fuel costs without sacrificing performance. With over 500 miles of range on a single tank, it's perfect for long-distance adventurers. Ford has clearly refined the Explorer in all the right places. It's not just a facelift. It's a smarter, safer, more luxurious, and more capable SUV built to handle whatever life throws at it. If you're considering a 3-row SUV in 2026, the Ford Explorer deserves a spot on your shortlist. Solid powertrains, innovative tech, impressive towing capacity, and modern styling. It checks all the boxes. That's all for today's review on Cars Info Point. Let us know in the comments. What do you think of the 2026 Explorer? Would you pick it over the Toyota Highlander or Kia Telluride? Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest car reviews and updates every week.